The driver who injured nearly 80 people in central Liverpool has been charged with grievous bodily harm with intent in addition to 6 other serious counts. The driver, identified as a white 53-year-old British man named Paul Doyle, rammed into a crowd of Liverpool Football Club fans who were celebrating their team's Premier League title.
The Crown Prosecution Service has today authorised Merseyside Police to charge Paul Doyle, aged 53, from West Derby, Liverpool, with offences of dangerous driving, causing grievous bodily harm with intent, wounding with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, and attempting to cause grievous bodily harm with intent. This is following a complex and ongoing investigation into an incident in Water Street, Liverpool, on Monday the 26th of May 2025.
Police say 79 people were injured, with at least 50 of them treated at hospitals, with victims ranging from 9 to 78 years of age. 7 people still remain in hospitals seeking treatment but are in stable condition. Officials say they believe Doyle dodged a roadblock by tailing an ambulance responding to a report of a person in cardiac arrest. Merseyside police investigators say the driver is believed to have acted alone and are not investigating terrorism as a motive.